Want to know how to draw a clean circle around any specific word in Microsoft Word? Let's do it in less than a minute. First, open your document and head up to the top menu bar. Click on the Insert tab. Next, click on the Shapes drop-down menu under the Illustrations section. From the Basic Shapes category, select the Oval tool. Now move your cursor down over the text. Click and drag a circle directly over the word you want to highlight. Don't worry if it covers your text with a solid color at first. We're going to fix that right now. With the shape still selected, right-click and go to Format Shape. Under the Fill options, change the setting from Solid Fill to No Fill. Suddenly, your text is visible again. To make it look like a proper highlight, let's change the border. Scroll down to the Line settings. Increase the width to 4 so it stands out. Change the color to a bright red. Finally, if you want that classic hand-drawn or customized look, head down to the Dash type option. Switch it from a solid line to a dashed or dotted style. And there you have it. If this quick tutorial saved you some time, hit that like button and subscribe for more.